weekend before Thanksgiving. Exploring Bird Ridge. One for a climb. There's that wind. All right, we're up at 2,300 feet of elevation, and this Bird Ridge starts down there at the water. So I started at water level. I think we got a couple hundred feet to go. Maybe get up to 3,000, but not sure. So we're on the ridge line, and it's looking like 12 o'clock. It is 1 mile, 1.8 miles in, 2,749 feet of elevation, and the team is pretty getting tired, and it's not the most forgiving terrain to post hole. Try to get up and around, but I think that if we had a little bit better gear, we'd be more prepared. But maybe next spring, go get out of the wind and sandwich up. Good test of gear. Good test of the axe. A little bummed we didn't do the whole thing, but we're all safe.